Why should you choose Atlas Copco?
I love that question.
Let me think about that.
It is a competitive market.
That's an easy one.
Your goals are our goals.
Your goals are our goals.
Your goals are our goals.
Atlas Copco's mission is to save U.S. manufacturers over $1 billion in annual electricity costs, while reducing CO2 emissions by 9 million metric tons. Making your sustainability goals and maximizing today's efficiency is only possible with an efficient compressed air and gas system. It's all about doing more. We call it the Connected Efficiency Journey.
It all starts with an audit.
Every efficiency journey starts with an audit. We have the package that's right for you. We learn exactly where you are now and prove what savings are possible.
Design and installation.
We use advanced software to design integrated systems. We focus on today's efficiency, but factor in future expansion.
Optimize the system.
Control multiple machines, and not just compressors, seamlessly. The simple, sophisticated user interface ensures that you're always in control.
Monitor. Anytime, anywhere, anyplace.
SmartLink is Atlas Copco's remote connectivity program. Our team monitors your system and works with you. We make suggestions to improve your energy efficiency.
24/7 service and support.
Never neglect service and the need for preventative maintenance. Atlas Copco has a service plan that's right for you. A factory-trained technician, and our entire service team is never far away. This efficiency journey applies across all of our products.
At Atlas Copco Compressors,
We develop industrial ideas.
That empower our customers to grow and drive society forward.
We work with customers from every industry to create a better tomorrow.
By maximizing efficiency today.